The last time I painted a champagne bottle, it pissed a lot of people off, which is just so funny to me. But you guys, not that serious. But I am going to answer some questions that I'm constantly getting over and over. One being, what kind of paint did I use? And it is acrylic paint. A lot of people asked why I didn't spray paint it, but I just thought that would be a bigger hassle. This really isn't that hard. The main thing is you have to wait for it to dry before you do another coat. I think I did around 3 to 4 coats, but I did speed up the process with the Cool Shot option on my Dyson. And then cutting out these things are not hard. I am using napkins, and I just find cute ones on Amazon. I'm going to the beach soon, so I figured we would do like a beach theme bottle for girls' night, and I think it turned out really good. But what I like to do is cut the little pieces out when I'm watching TV and put them in a Ziploc bag and just save it for whenever I'm ready to do it. Here's the finished piece, and it turned out so cute.